Hello everyone, this is me Aliza, AI Wali student at Run School Online Academy. Today I'm going to share my review of the TEDx talk by Afin Mushtaq. I found this talk very inspiring because it's not about only becoming a pilot, it's about having the courage to dream, believing in yourself, the breaking the barriers that society creates. One message that touched me the most was that dreams have no gender. Every great achievement starts with a dream. If we stop dreaming because of fear or because of what people say, we limit our own future. Afreen Mushtaq reminds us that we should never let society decide what we are capable of achieving. In many parts of Pakistani society, girls are still treated differently from boys. From a young age, many girls are told that some professions are only for men. They are expected to stay within certain limits, while boys are often encouraged to dream big and take risks. Sometimes girls are discouraged from becoming pilots, engineers, scientists, or leaders simply because of all stereotypes. This mindset can stop talented young women from reaching their true potential. Afreen Mushtaq challenges this way of thinking. She proves that success depends on hard work, dedication and determination, not on whether someone is a man or a woman. There is one line that I found especially powerful. How does an airplane know whether the person flying it's a man or a woman? The answer is simple, it doesn't. An airplane only responds to the skills, knowledge and confidence to the pilot. It doesn't care about gender. This teaches us an important lesson. The word to rewards ability, not stereotypes. If a woman has the same education, training, and determination as a man, she can perform the job just as well. This message is not only true for aviation, it applies to every profession. Women can become doctor, engineer, entrepreneurs, teachers, scientists, athletes, police officer, and even astronauts. They can achieve anything if they are given equal opportunities and if they believe in themselves. Another lesson I learned is that dreams are never easy to achieve. Every successful person faces difficulties, criticism, and failures. The difference is that successful people do not give up. They continue working hard even when others doubt them. Afreen Mushtaq's journey reminds us that courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is moving forward despite fear. As young people, we should also support the dreams of others instead of telling someone you can't do it. We should encourage them by saying, keep going, I believe in you. A few words of encouragement can change someone's life. I also believe that parents and society play a very important role. Families should support both sons and daughters equally. Every child deserves the chance to choose a career based on their passion, talent, not on their gender. When girls are educated, encouraged, and trusted, they do not just change their own lives, they help build a strong family, a stronger society, and a stronger Pakistan. Personally, this TEDx talk motivated me to dream big and to never let fear or other people's opinions stop me. It reminded me that success belongs to those who work hard, stay determined, and believe in themselves. In conclusion, Afreen Mushtaq's TEDx talk is a powerful reminder that dreams have no limits and talent has no gender. Girls can do everything that boys can do if they are given equal opportunities. As our friend's message beautifully shows, an airplane does not know whether it's being flown by a man or a woman. It's it only knows whether the pilot is capable or not. So let us encourage every girl to dream fearlessly, work hard, and never stop believing in herself because today's dreamers become tomorrow's leaders. Thank you.